math video. In this video, we will learn about number partners. What is number partners? Let's see and find out. What is number partner? Let's see the definition of number partner. Partners of a number are any two smaller numbers that together make the total. For example, 5. 1 plus 4 equals to 5, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, and 5 plus 0 equals to 5. So 1 and 4 are the partners of 5, 2 and 3 are the partners of 5, and 5 and 0 is the partners of 5. Switch the partners. The partners can be switched and the total stays the same. For example, 4 plus 1 equals to 5 and 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So, these are switch the partners. As we know the definition now, let's take more examples and understand what number partners is. Let's take the example of 1. So how we can get 1? We can get 1 by 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 0. Did you notice something? 0 plus 1 is a number partner, but even 1 plus 0 is switch partner. Let's take another example for 2. So what is the number partners for 2? The number partners are 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0, and 1 plus 1. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 2 and 2 plus 0. So let's take another example for 3. What is the partners for 3? The partners are 0 plus 3, 3 plus 0, 1 plus 2, and 2 plus 1. Did you see the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 3, 3 plus 0, and 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. Let's take another example for 4. What are the partners for 4? The partners are 0 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 0, and 3 plus 1. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 4, 4 plus 0, and 1 plus 3, and 3 plus 1. So let's take one final example. What are the number partners for 5? The number partners are 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0, and 1 plus 4, 4 plus 1, and 2 plus 3, and 3 plus 2. Hope you understand number partners from 1 to 5. Now it's time for practice sheet. Let's do some practice sheet. Here in this practice sheet, we have given numbers from 1 to 5 and one number partner with it. What you need to do is you need to find the other number partner for it. Pause time, guys. If you haven't finished your practice sheet, pause the video. Once you're done, play the video again to verify your answers. Let's verify the answers. For number 1, the answer is given 0 plus 1. For number 2, here the answer is given 2 plus 0. But if you even have written 0 plus 2, that is also correct because it is the number partner for 2. For 3, the answer is given 2 plus 1. But if you have written 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 3, that is also correct because it is the number partner for 3. For 4, here the answer is given 2 plus 2. But if you even have written 0 plus 4, 4 plus 0 or 1 plus 3, that is also correct because it's the number partner for 4. For number 5, here the answer is given 3 plus 2. But if you have written 1 plus 4, 5 plus 0 or 0 plus 5, that is also correct because it's the number partner for 5. Hope you enjoyed this video and learn about number partners from 1 to 5. In my next video, I will teach you number partners from 6 to 10. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!